Hey guys, welcome to Foord Offroad. What else should we say?
G'day and welcome to Foord Offroad. Savo, we have Aaron's dmax and we're going to attempt to fit a ARB bullbar and get rid of the epoxy shithouse. What is it? Genuine Isuzu one that sucks.
Well, we have no idea how to do it, so we'll see how it goes.
Let's get into it. Okay, so things you're going to need for this is obviously a bullbar, all the lots of pieces that hold it together, the million bolts that it comes with, basic socket set, some fancy as tools, and there's just one bolt up there on either side holding it. So get someone to hold it while someone else takes them out, or you can get, what I've done in the past is get a chair, nice comfy chair, sit it under your bar and then get under there and take it off and hope it doesn't crush you.
If you don't have a chair though, someone tough will do the job.
That's what he reckons. He's going to hold it and not drop it on me and I'm going to take it off. How long do you reckon you can hold that for, Aaron? 10 minutes? Oh. Well, I'm going inside. Probably should be rest. Look how skinny that is. That is not going to do much if you hit something compared to an ARB one, which is thicker steel. It's a thicker bar and it looks better. So now we're going to figure out where all the brackets go and put it back on the car. First step in getting ready to put the new ARB one on is to take these pieces off of the wheel arches and take these bits of plastic off both sides. Okay, so with your ARB bar you get these two random bits and you've got no idea what they're for. This one has a little eye cut into it, which means it's inside. So you have to put that there, push it hard up. Put that other one, which has an O for outside. Sorry about camera work. Put that one over there. Push it hard up. Once you got those clamped in the right spot, 4mm pilot hole in each one of those little ones. Then we're going to drill different sized holes in. Okay, now that the pilot holes are drilled, I'm going to take the stupid little brackets that don't make sense off. Drill the outside of the chassis up to a 13mm drill bit and the inside of the chassis up to a 10.5mm drill bit. snap. Clean all the mud out of your chassis is going to make this next bit. It's not going to make it easy, it's actually going to make it physically possible. If you don't smash bog holes every weekend, you won't have mud in your car.
I fucking love it.
Okay, next we're going to get this stupid thing like that, and that's going to poke in there. So that pokes in there. Eventually we're going to drill holes to this other piece of crap up. That poke those wires through there because that's what it's got to line up with, and then slip over there like that. Get one of the old bolts just to locate it. This is not permanent, you just
to hold it,
locate it for the time being. That's alright, it's still filming. Get it pushed hard up against the chassis both ways. Just do it up. Long bolts through there. Get in the hole. The crush washers go on the long bolts and into the hole. Where's the other one gone? And then this piece, you've got to watch where you film it. And that piece, a washer on each bolt and a nut on each bolt. Just do them finger tight, don't do them super tight yet. Oops. So those ones in there, this one. Make sure it's fairly straight up and down. The instructions say use it level, but who has to bolt through those two holes in the thing? So you got to drill more holes, 2 4mm pilot holes, and then some 10mm holes, 10.5mm holes again to get the bolts through. So I'll do that now. Drilled those holes in approximately the perfectly exact right spot. You got to fish this thing around to try and get some bolts in there, which is a fucking stupid idea.
I'll get a good angle.
But ARB knows better than I do.
Is that the wrong bolt?
No, pretty sure it's the right bolt. Get in the hole! Side, which is 710 on this one. Then we're going to go over to the new bullbar, new second-hand flash as ARB bullbar. Measure from the inside to the inside, which is 740. That's a decent size gap. Okay, and then you got these packers that you add in there. They're each about 2mm thick. It's not very accurate to measure that with a tape measure. They're each about 3mm thick, and you add as many in as you need to make up the difference. Since we've got a 30mm difference, we're just going to stuff them all in. They go... I wish the dog would stop barking. They go like that. Before we put the bar on the car, it's just going to be a bit easier. If we put those lights in behind there, they've just got 2 screws.
Do they come in more?
Oh, no, maybe lift it up a little. Whoa, not that much.
No bumper cut needed, that fits perfect. Think?
This This is a step that you can't forget, which is actually quite easy to forget.
Now what you want to do is get a ruler out and measure, find your center so you have it perfectly center, and then just fucking somewhere about there.
And then just rough enough, close enough, send it down. Send it down to maximum ugga Chuck your driving lights back on it. Come with these fancy little doors so you can get the bolts. No, that's not what it's for, that's so when you've got a winch in there you can engage and disengage it. The mighty Isuzu SD Maximus.
It lives again.
So we're not finished, there is still a few things to do, but that's going to pretty much be the end of the video. Looks a lot better than the standard one. It's going to offer more protection. This is the tray we built for it as well. Foord Offroad tray, I got one the same on my patrol. Recessed tail lights. Big flares. Flush tie down points. Sweet. Another good idea is put these stupid fog light covers on before you put the bar on the car.
I did say that earlier.
He did, but I thought we'd need to put a hand through there to get to the bolts, but you can actually get to the mounting bolts fairly easily, but those screws, however, are absolutely shit. Okay, so that was meant to be a how-to video, how to fit it, but it was more of a how to read the instructions and figure out what the fuck they mean. They are written in English, but they make no sense in English. But anyway, that's the bull bar. The next video we have, I'm going to be putting a canopy on my Hilux. We also picked up today an ARB canopy. So hopefully ARB canopy is better than ARB bull bar to fit. Anyway, the next video will be more instructional and less mucking about. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, check out Foord Offroad on Instagram, and stay tuned for more videos. See ya.